all have that one Pinterest board where we pin all of the fun food recipes and drinks that we want to try, but do we really ever go back and make them? Well, I have a series for you guys. Welcome to Food Friday with Samy Bee Pinterest Edition. Let's make all the recipes that we've always wanted to make.
So today's recipe, we are actually using two different type of salads on here, and I don't actually follow the recipe to a T. I'm kind of making up my own as we go. So I'm using this first recipe as sort of the base. This is what I want it to look like. And here is the recipe in case you guys want to follow it along perfectly. We are actually making our own dressing for this salad, and it is from Tone It Up, and it is the Asian soy vinaigrette right here. You guys can screenshot it right here if you want to follow the recipe. And then we're also combining this next recipe, and I basically just used the visual, so I clicked on the picture. That's what I'm going off of. All right, we're gonna start by taking our chicken breast. I am gonna use this right here, and you can cook it any method you want. You could slow cook it, pan fried, barbecue in it, oven, whatever you feel like. We're doing barbecue today. Cooking on top rack, because cooking chicken needs longer. See you when it's done. While we wait for the chicken to cook, we're going to make the dressing. So we're going to use a shaker bottle or whatever you want to make the dressing in. Here's what we're gonna need: white rice vinegar, sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, and if you can find it, the cleanest version of brown sugar. I'm using just dark brown. This is literally all the grocery had, but if you could find like an organic version or something if you want to stay a little bit on the healthier side, but this is it. This is all we need to make the dressing. Now let's mix it together. So for the ratio, it depends on the size of salad you're making, but roughly we're going to do about half a cup of the vinegar. So this is going to be the main part of the salad. About 3 tablespoons of the sesame oil. And then about a tablespoon of the soy sauce. I'm eyeballing this. You are welcome to follow the recipe to suit. Did I say 1 tablespoon? That was probably about 2 or 3. And then a pinch of brown sugar, because we don't want the dressing too sweet, but it is going to add a ton of flavor. My best judgment here. And we're gonna do about a tablespoon. And now, make sure your lid's on tight, and we're gonna shake it up. You're also welcome to, if you're using a magic bullet or a new ninja or whatever, you are welcome to blend it, but shaking it is just as fine. Get it all mixed together. There's your dressing. You can stick it in the fridge for when you're ready. This is just pre-making it, and if you don't think this is enough, you can double it, you can half it, you can do whatever you need to. But here is our dressing in the beautiful color it has. And before you serve it, just make sure you give it a good shake so that you have all the sugar grains and everything out from it. It's that easy to make your own healthy salad dressing. This doesn't just have to be for dressing. You can use this as a marinade for steak, pork chop, chicken, turkey, whatever you need. Let's go check the chicken. Oh God, that's cooking way too fast, baby. That is cooking way too fast. She'll be done in no time. This is literally as low as this barbecue goes. Maybe I'll like shut off 2 burners. Just leave the middle one on. It's just cooking way too fast. Ah! Brought the chicken in. I actually sliced it in half so that the inside would cook a little bit better, and then now we dice it up and get it ready for the salad. As you can see, this recipe also recommended that you could do it with sashimi. Now that got me thinking, what if we did it with both chicken and sashimi? So I ordered from my local favorite seafood place, Sushi House. I got some sashimi. to top the salad with, and some miso soup because they have the best miso soup.